how I can help you build motivation and wealth, my journey and what I've learned. Welcome, virtual friends. My name is Sophia, and I'm so glad you're here. If you've ever felt stuck or unsure how to reach your goals, especially financial ones, you're in the right place. Let me share a little about myself and how I can help you take control of your motivation, health, and finances. I've spent years building skills and experiences that I'm passionate about sharing. As a former recruitment consultant, I've coached people to prepare for job interviews and land roles they never thought possible. I also work as a tutor, helping students strengthen their math and English skills, and I teach ESOL classes for those learning English as a second language. Beyond education, I've started my own tutoring business and ventured into property investment. I've guided friends and family to build long-term wealth by showing them how to invest step by step. On the creative side, I've developed and sold digital products, and I've learned firsthand that turning skills and motivation into financial success isn't easy. It takes persistence, trial and error, and a willingness to start, even when it feels impossible. I'm also working on my own journey of growth. I go to the gym 3 times a week and ice skate when I get the opportunity. I've developed the mindset and motivation to keep going, even when it's tough. This commitment to small, consistent actions is what drives real progress, and I want to help you build that same resilience and focus. I know what it's like to feel overwhelmed and wonder if you're doing enough. But I've learned that small, consistent actions can lead to big results, especially when it comes to your financial goals. That's why I'm here, to help you build the habits, mindset, and strategies you need to align your motivation with wealth building. Want free tools to stay on track and grow? Join me on Patreon, where you'll get exclusive access to resources like habit trackers, goal-setting journals, and productivity planners. I also share actionable financial affirmations, motivational stories, and practical steps to help you take control of your journey toward financial empowerment. Here's what you'll find: motivational stories. Learn from inspiring success stories that show how habits and mindset create financial breakthroughs. Exclusive tools. Get access to printables like planners and affirmations designed to link motivation, health, and wealth. Actionable advice. Discover small, practical steps you can take to align your daily habits with your financial goals. Need one-on-one help? If you'd like personalized guidance, feel free to email me or message me directly on Patreon. Whether you need advice on building habits, creating financial goals, or aligning your motivation with wealth building, I'd love to support you. If you're ready to get started, let me know in the comments what you're working on or where you need help. I'd love to guide you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for regular tips, personal stories, and actionable advice to boost your health, wealth, and motivation. Together, we'll take small steps toward big results. Thanks for being here. Let's make it happen.